dirty, it's greasy, it's long, it's hot, it's hard hours. If you enjoy it, you enjoy it.
You know, it makes me feel good when I see a customer hear a customer say, hey, this is the best. That makes me feel good. I know I done did my job.
These are the baby back ribs. They're smoked for about 2 hours on the smoker, and then they're chilled down, and then we pick them up on a grill for service. So something good to pick up. It's got a pineapple tamarind barbecue sauce.
So the way we mop through it, we want to start on our legs first. We don't want to mop it, I say more than 4 times because it'll start picking up the seasoning. We just shut the lid back down.
You know, you sit down on a table and you start talking to the guy in front of you and, oh, where are you from? Oh, what got you here? Because when you come here, you're in my backyard.